Yo, what is up? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. There guys, today we're here with Skeng, Elvis, Presley. What is it about this song? I never get round to react to it. It dropped 3 weeks ago, never get round to react to it. But a lot of people left comments on other video. Yo, react to Skeng new song, Elvis Presley. React to this, react to that. And I said, Jesus, what is it about this song? Never listen to it. I hardly listen to a song unless I react to it. Anyway, we're gonna jump to the other one and hear what is it where people want me to react. Skeng, make up yourself, let's go. Also, you just signed to Nicki Minaj them. I hope it's the right move for your career. And good luck with it. Best of luck, G. Bombo clot. Boss well Mali out, you know. Boss well Mali out tonight. The house time the girl living on that. Watch out, everything out, you know. Watch out. Boss well Mali out. Bombo clot.
Hey, Topper, they don't want us to party, my nigga. This is Elvis Presley. How this Chan Kupan, the truth is an exit.
Alright, this is a totally different side of Skeng. Alright.
Listen up, New Year, them penos, pandemics.
Watch your blood clot pants. Watch your trousers.
Listen up.
Watch your trousers. Hey, that you tell easy the dog. That you tell entertainer, you know. Watch your guitar. That you tell see guitar, no chance it. That you tell entertainer, fuck. I entertainer this ramp. Watch your man name Cox.
New Year, them penos, pandemics. Some walking style, them thing like that. Neat and time, confuse them mind. Madder than the first time I rocked them right.
Alright, I think I'm gonna focus more on the video than where I say though, cause that style where am I singing at? Me not hear it clearly, dog. I don't know why, but me not hear it clearly. But let me focus on this video mostly still. I think, and this is my honest opinion, I think his voice could have been a bit more loud up on the rhythm. Maybe that's what it's not clear for me to hear exactly what he's saying. I know I'm not deaf, my headphone in my work, so we don't know nobody come in the comment section. And I'm not saying nothing bad about him anyway. I'm not saying nothing. I like Skeng, I do things, Skeng a G. But I just think that the rhythm is a bit too higher than his voice. Them should be at the same level, or his voice should be a bit more projecting a bit more louder. We are run 14 as a young OG. Let me try and focus on the song as well. Him just tell you again, saying pop. I'm a rock star, I'm pop Mali and rare, blah blah blah. You know, pop something. I struggle. When you touch it at the club, girl think of Santa. So you tell them say, yo, Father Christmas is here, Skeng is here, the present, you know. I like the video, especially them little clippings that Elvis tonight and thing. So it's just Skeng showing his tribute to Elvis Presley. One of the greats is that Skeng way of doing so. We ever clean, you even know we have the girl. Come like when them come out of the house, my ear clearer now. Cause in the house, man. Yeah. Big bat girl there in my G. Nothing to something, bro. You're far from far, bro. And if you see a sign with Nicky them, yeah, do your thing, me G.
Now we have big butt girl there in my Jeep. Tonight me I go party and get fucked up and get a new girl who can done something for me.
I'm gonna go party and get fucked up and do what?
I go party
And get fucked up.
and get a new girl who can done something for me. Rum punch, feeling nice by the night, done you show her up. I live like rockstar and a pop star, pop Molly with the pop tar, with the car, hell's funny.
Yo, the boss image I forward from afar, you know? The boss image I forward from afar, dog. Like, the boss image, really rockstar image now, the boss are fully tattoo up, tattoo all in the face, hair dye out. Yo, it's image change, man.
Gunman develop star, when you touching at the club, y'all think a Santa. Man, I live like rockstar and a pop star, pop Molly with the pop tar, with the car, hell's funny. Gunman develop star, when you touching at the club, y'all think a Santa. This is Elvis Presley, how we make this? Chan Coop and the truth is an exit. Pop pill get chip, young and reckless.
Pop pill get cheap, young and reckless.
New Year, them penos pandemic. Some walking style, them thing right. Neat and time, confuse them mind. Madder than the first time, I get them right. Fuck your feel pussies, from a make a climb.
Man say madder than the first time them rat to them arrive. So him even madder now. So basically what tells him transform, super sense style, Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, you know.
And the first time, I get them right. Fuck your feel pussies, from a make a climb. I'ma feel like Elvis. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, when I see all sexy ladies make some nice some.
Alright, so this beat, yeah, is like an old school. I wouldn't even say, yo, it's a rap beat. No, a rap beat. I would say more like a rap beat from the 80s, 90s rap beat. No, this is a story all about it. Give me that vibe there, like the Fresh Prince song, theme song. It's not dancehall, definitely not dancehall, definitely not dancehall. Listen, but I think it could be. The clarity could be up more. So you have a good understanding and hear exactly what I say. Like when I'm doing a protocol, because I hear everything when I say in a protocol. But for some reason the final mix when I sang ya, I don't know, it not grab me. But the song bad, the video bad. Me see what I do, me see the route where I take with it. Big up the production team behind the song. Skeng, big up yourself, bro. You're different. And that is what stands out about you. You're different from the start you found in. You're different, bro. Skeng never disappoint. That's all you got to see in the comment section. Skeng never disappoint. Do you agree? You understand? But, bro, you're different, bro. Your flow different. Your flow different. For me, just need a bit more clarity for me. So I can understand everything what you say. So I can catch the words them. So I can sing them too. Yeah. But if you don't catch the words them, fair play. Good on you. But me not catch all of the words them I say. Yeah. It is top of 90s, 80s hip hop to me. But it can go on still. It can go on. A Skeng. Yeah, it's a Skeng man. Skeng that man. Come on, man. But anyway, this time I'm going to leave down. If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you new. And I will see you in the next one, man. Honest opinion. That's it. Yeah.